Hello everybody, welcome back to the TechDoesTalk YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I posted, but here today I have 3 special items. So first of all, I have the iPhone 11. I know it's been a year, but I also have the iPhone 12 here. And the third item I have today is these 2 wireless charging pads. As you can see, I opened it up a little bit just so I can get it easily. So the first thing we'll be opening is the iPhone 11. So here we go. Oh, is it this way? Yep. Very clean opening. You know, Apple, they always do it that way. Very nice. So, such a beauty. Look at that. So this is the lavender 64 gig version. And wow, this phone is beautiful. You just put it on the back over here. Now in the box, you got your regular things. You got your instruction manual and you got your stickers, all the usual. And fun fact, you get headphones and a charger. You know, because Apple didn't add that in this time. And let me just put this over here. Boxed. Now the next thing that we have is the iPhone 12. So let's get right into it. Very nice. And boom, there it is. The iPhone 12. 6.1 inch black, 64 gig. It is a beauty. Here, the first difference here is that they have different pull-off tabs here for the plastic, which is very interesting. I didn't actually know that, so that's nice. Before we get into the phone, let's see what's in the box. As you see here, we have a USB-C to Lightning cable, which is the new charger that they decided to add for the non-existent charging brick that most of us probably don't have. You can use your old chargers though, so that's a nice thing. And we have a SIM eject tool, paperwork, and only 1 Apple sticker. Very sad. Just put that away in the box. Okay. Let's first take off the plastic on the iPhone 11. Nice noises. So satisfying. And let's power it on. Okay. Well, that's powering on. Let's get to the iPhone 12. As I mentioned before, it has a different kind of plastic going on. So here we have the power button. Seems like you have the volume rockers right here and the mute switch, which is very nice. And down here, they even added a nice detail for the charger. If it wants to focus. No, doesn't seem like it. Oh, the phone in the back is done. And let's take it off. Yet again, so satisfying. So wow, that's it. The iPhone 12. Very beautiful. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. Okay, so now we have both phones here. Very nice. They're pretty similar in size actually, since they're both the 6.1 inch, but the iPhone 12 does seem to be a little bit smaller just in size. The screen sizes are the exact same. And I don't know if this can be caught well on the camera, but the iPhone 12 screen is much more vibrant since it is an OLED display compared to the iPhone 11's LCD. Just looking at the sides here. Looking at the backs, very nice. Front, Obviously, as you can tell, they have a nice brick design going on between the two phones. Yep. See if we can spot it here. Yep, seen right here on the iPhone 12 is the 5G modem right there. Very nice. Okay. So with these two phones in front of me, that's just going to be the end of these two products. But we still have a third product left to unbox that, because the iPhone 12 is not coming with a charger, and since we are actually getting another one, we have decided to buy a 2-charger bundle for wireless charging pads. So here we go. As you see, I kind of opened it from the top, just so this package could be easier made. So I'll unbox it. I don't know if I can do this on the camera, but we can try. Oh. Oh, that does not look good. Okay, I'm gonna unbox this off camera real quick, and I'll be right back when it's out. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I finally opened it up. As you can see, I completely decimated the wrapping. If you wanna hear in the back, here it is. Don't need that. Okay, so now let's just plop this right open. Oh, looks like I missed a little bit here. And boom. So the chargers are gonna come out nice and easily. These are the 2 charging pads. Oh, they're very heavy actually. Let me look at one. Very nice. There's the charging port right there. And what is that? Oh, that seems to be like a light or something. Very nice. Very nice. UBO Labs. I don't know if you can read that. Probably not. Okay, let's put those two aside. And let's take out the chargers. So right here, they have some sort of system. Oh, that's nice. And they have what seems to be the instructions and a little bit of basically what this is. 2 Qi certified wireless charging pads. Qi enabled for up to 10-watt wireless charging. You know the drill. Here's the instruction manual. I don't know why. I guess they still have these. And as you can see here are the 2 chargers that come with it. So since they are both identical, I'm just gonna move the last one away. Take one of the pads right now. And here we go. Here's one of the chargers right there. Seem to be protected by a rubber band. Makes sense. I'm gonna just take that away. And here we have, okay, yeah. Here we have charging brick, and you have a circular plug right here, which I'm assuming goes right here. And the circle hole I was talking about earlier. So apparently it's not a light. Okay, so that's going to be it for this unboxing. Seems like pretty insane unboxing we have on the channel today. And yeah, can't wait for the next video. So if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family. And yeah, peace out, guys. See you later.